Hey there, explorers. Today, let's talk about the Internet Computer, or ICP. Imagine a truly open internet, free from the control of giant companies. That's the promise of ICP, a revolutionary technology aiming to reshape the digital world as we know it. Think of ICP as a giant, decentralized computer network. It's like the internet we use now, but much more powerful and secure. With ICP, we can build and run applications in completely new ways, without relying on centralized servers. This opens up incredible possibilities for everyone: developers, entrepreneurs, artists, and users like you and me. So why is this such a big deal? Well, today's internet is dominated by powerful corporations. They control our data, limit innovation, and can even censor content. ICP aims to change that. It puts the power back in the hands of the people, creating a more democratic and accessible online experience. Exciting, right? Let's break down what makes ICP so special. First off, it's decentralized. This means that instead of relying on a few central servers, ICP is spread across a vast network of computers around the world. This makes it incredibly resilient and resistant to censorship. No single entity can control or shut down the network. Pretty cool, huh? Next, ICP is highly scalable. As more users and applications join the network, it can easily handle the increased traffic without slowing down. This is crucial for creating a truly global and inclusive internet. Security is another top priority for ICP. It uses advanced cryptography to protect your data and ensure the integrity of the network. You can be sure that your information is safe and secure on the Internet Computer. And here's the best part. ICP is designed to work seamlessly with other blockchains. This means that applications built on ICP can easily interact with other decentralized networks, creating a more interconnected and powerful digital ecosystem. Now, let's dive a little deeper into the technical side of things. ICP uses something called canisters to run applications. Think of canisters as secure containers that hold the code and data for your apps. These canisters are distributed across the ICP network, ensuring that your applications are always available and running smoothly. And because they're built on blockchain technology, you can be sure that they're tamper-proof and secure. ICP also uses a unique voting system to govern the network. Holders of the ICP token get to vote on important decisions, ensuring that the network remains truly decentralized and community-driven. It's like digital democracy in action. So, what can you actually do with ICP? The possibilities are endless. Imagine decentralized social media platforms that prioritize privacy and free speech. Or how about secure and transparent financial applications that give you more control over your money? And that's not all. ICP can revolutionize gaming, business applications, supply chain management, and so much more. It's a whole new world of possibilities waiting to be explored. The best part is that anyone can join the ICP community and help shape the future of the internet. You don't need to be a tech expert or have a lot of money to get involved. It's all about collaboration, innovation, and a shared vision for a better digital future. Of course, there are challenges ahead. Learning about new technology can be daunting, and there's still a lot of work to be done to build out the ICP ecosystem. But with its incredible potential to empower individuals and create a more open and equitable internet, I'm incredibly excited about the future of ICP. So let's embrace the power of decentralization and work together to build a brighter digital future for everyone.